Welcome to Fishbone Off-Road's instructional on how to remove the front and rear bumper of Dodge's 2020 to 21 Ram. Starting with the front, Step 1. Disconnect your battery using a 10mm wrench. Step 2. With an 8mm socket, remove the screws affixing the inner fenders to the bumper and loosen the 2 screws affixing the inner fenders to the frame. Then, remove the inner fender panel. Step 3. Disconnect the electrical plug-in on the driver's side inner fender. Note, starting the truck without reconnecting will result in a code on the dash that the dealership has to remove. Step 4. Using an 18mm socket, remove the 3 nuts on each side to remove the bumper. Step 5. With the help of a friend, remove your bumper. Step 6. If equipped, remove your active air dam and unplug the motor housing with a 13mm socket. Step 7. Using an 18mm socket, remove the 2 bolts holding the stock D-ring mounts in, then remove the D-rings. Moving to the rear. Step 1. Remove the 2 15mm bolts behind the license plate. Step 2. Unplug the wiring harness on the driver's side of the vehicle. Step 3. Remove the 4 16mm nuts that hold the bumper to the frame and factory hitch. Finally, remove the bumper from the vehicle. And you're done.